In this video, I'm going to show you how to export LinkedIn users' employment companies and their websites to Excel. As an example, we will be exporting places where musicians work. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's go. To extract people's employment companies and websites to Excel, we'll use the LinkedIn profile to Website Finder. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the LinkedIn profile to Website Finder. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button. Name your job. Paste LinkedIn profile links. Select notification type: email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel or JSON to save the extracted companies and their websites to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported musicians' current employment companies and websites from LinkedIn to Excel. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster and get access to the LinkedIn profile to Website Finder and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.